Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a couple different Easter nail art designs. So start off with a base coat. For the base of the Easter egg nails, I started off with white. For the base of the two bunny nails, I started off with a light pink, and for the base of the chick nail, I started off with a light yellow. I did 2 to 3 coats of each of these colors. For the bunny, I am creating a half circle using the brush of the white polish to start off the head of the bunny. As with each color, I am putting a dot of them on a plastic lid to use as a palette, and I am creating ears with a small brush and white polish. I decided I wanted the head to be a little shorter, and I was just fixing the edges using the base color. Next, I'm adding black eyes using a dotting tool. You could also use a toothpick for these steps, and of course a pink little nose, and pink in the ears as well. For the bunny tail, I'm creating a sort of flowery shape, but basically just made up of some lines. Pretty easy, and it goes really well with the other bunny design. Starting off the Easter egg design, I am just creating a variation of stripes, zigzag, and polka dot patterns using a lot of pastel colors. I will have all the polishes that I used listed in the description box if you are wondering. I am using a dotting tool and a small brush for this design, but you can always use a toothpick, and if you need to, you can always clean up using the base color. Here is the second Easter egg design, basically the same steps but switching up the colors. I really like this design and I think it is super fun to create. Onto the chick design, I'm starting by using the brush of the white polish to create a thicker line across the bottom of my nail. Then I am taking a small brush and creating triangle shapes at the top of the line to create the cracked eggshell design. I am straightening some of the lines using the base color. For the face of the chick, I am just adding 2 more black dots for the eyes and a little orange beak. And lastly, apply a top coat and clean up around the nails using a small brush and nail polish remover. You do want to make sure that you are gliding the top coat across the nail and not pressing too hard, and you don't want to smear your designs. You can also wait a little longer for them to dry. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of nail art and makeup videos. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!